Today we're gonna see how to transfer money from Commonwealth Bank to overseas. Firstly, before making a transfer, ask the recipient for their bank account details, including account number, PSP, account name, and SWIFT code. Log into your NetBank or CommBank app, select the account you want to transfer money from. Ensure your transfer doesn't exceed your daily limit, and if needed, increase your limit in NetBank or the CommBank app. Make sure you're registered for netcode SMS for added security. If sending money overseas, review the exchange rate before confirming the transfer and use CommBank's currency converter for an estimate. Double-check all details, click Confirm to process the payment, and you receive a confirmation receipt for your records. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.